In this video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank affiliate marketing. So for those of you who don't know, Clickbank is a large affiliate platform where you can find a whole stack of products that you can promote online. And if you like this video, make sure that you smash the like button and the subscribe button and tell us what you think of this video. So this is what we call the Clickbank marketplace. The marketplace is categorized into various niches down the left-hand side here. So anywhere from arts and entertainment, business, investing, all the way down to travel, listed in alphabetical order. So if we take a look at some of these, some of the products that are available on Clickbank, if I just take health and fitness, for example, you can search for various products if you're looking for a particular product. And then these products are listed in terms of popularity from high to low. So for example, this product here is the most popular, and you can see the average amount per sale that is made on each of these products, and then all the statistics for the sales that have been made in the past. So initial amount per sale and the average percentage per sale that you get, and rebilling for those products that are billed on a monthly basis, on a recurring basis. And they have this measurement called gravity. So gravity is the number of affiliates that have made a sale of the product in the last 30 days. And so if you click on this link here, it will send you to the sales page, and the sales page will give you a sales video, and then it talks about how much you're going to pay for this product. So this is obviously some sort of health supplement or weight loss product. So you can check out the sales pages here. A lot of these products also have what we call affiliate pages, which these affiliate pages have resources for if you want to promote it. Often they have emails or banners or things that you can just copy and paste in terms of helping to promote the product. Let me see if I can just find one for you that's got no, you have to sign up for each of these ones. Let's see if I can just show you an example of some of the affiliate resources that are available. So here we go. It gives you the affiliate link here. So I'll come back to the affiliate link, but so here are some email swipe examples, which you can just copy and paste literally to help to promote your product once people have signed up to your email list. And some banners here too, as I said, so you can put these banners on your website. And you can also sort. So for example, if you want to sort by gravity, it sorts by gravity, but you can also sort by various other ways, from rebill to initial amount per sale. So this one it averages $182.77 per sale. So if you have a look at, if you want to promote the product, then you just click on promote, and then it'll open up a window which will then you generate this hop link, what they call this hop link, and that's your special encrypted hop link. When someone clicks on that link, and if they happen to buy the product, then the sale can be attributed to you and to your account, and then you get paid a commission. So that's Clickbank. Very much it's a marketplace for thousands of various products in all different categories to promote. Definitely check it out. It's free to sign up. So for those of you who are new to affiliate marketing, I definitely recommend that you sign up, just to check out what sorts of products are available. Anyway, would love to hear what you think about that video in the comment section below. Smash the like button, the subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video.